Hi, welcome. This video happens just to be an awesome because I have an example here and I can record it. But this video is actually for everybody that's an ArcoLinux, everybody that doesn't have the tweak tool here, the ArcoLinux tweak tool, and everybody that has selected in CALAMARES not to auto-login. CALAMARES is smart, right? When you say AutoLogin in CALAMARES, is going to create a group, and that's why I'm showing you this. If you type the word groups in a terminal, you'll see that Eric is part of these groups. But Eric is not part of AutoLogin. At this point in time, our tweak tool, this is still the old one, 20.4.2, button number 19, has still the same issue because we just discovered this yesterday or before yesterday, right? But even so, this knowledge could be interesting to anybody on ArcoLinux. So what this tweak tool does is if you have several operating systems, desktops on your machine, you can actually say, I want to boot up next time in Cinnamon AutoLogin. So you start up, put your computer on, and you are immediately in Cinnamon. So that's what it does. But some things must be met. Some things must be set right. So if you did CALAMARES AutoLogin, no problems, which is what I do always. So I've done this one in Cinnamon, in Awesome. I've not done it, and I've seen what happens now. We've discovered that. So how do I make sure that I can auto-login into lightdm? Well, you read. You type in ArcoLinux wiki lightdm, and then you have here somewhere enabling auto-login, and that was where I was. It says here, edit the lightdm configuration to ensure and so on. Edit this little guy, auto-login. Okay, let's have a look. Super Shift Enter. File system, etc, lightdm, lightdm.com, right mouse click, Sublime text. Okay, that's cool. Rather big. Put it in Perl, like so. Everything that's white is used, all the rest is rubbish. So user session, awesome, good. Auto-login, user Eric, good. Auto-login session, awesome, good. Everything is set right, but it won't work. You won't be able to auto-login. You are always getting stuck at the display manager called lightdm, and you have to type in your password. That's what you want to avoid. But everything is set right. Auto-login Eric, auto-login awesome. I mean, what more can you do? Well, that's the point of this video. You must be part of the auto-login group. If you selected in CALAMARES auto-login, it's done for you. If you didn't do it, then group add -r auto-login. That's what we need to do. So Control T. Let's take a look again at the beginning here. This is me, right? ID, Eric. This is what I'm in, and this is my group. I'm not in auto-login. So I need to do something here. I'm just going to type it over. I'm going to just see here what I need to do. Auto-login, group add. So first of all, I need to be sudo. Not just group add, sudo group add. Who can make groups? Administrator, right? AutoLogin. Okay, it already exists. So in my case, no problem. It was already there, but I'm gonna put it in there anyway. In the video, I mean. What I'm not part of is me. I am not part of anything. So I'm gonna say the next line here. So these lines are the ones we're looking at, right? I'm gonna add myself with sudo, please, Eric. Sudo group password -a, add me, this little guy, to what group? This group. Oh, that's not a group. Adding user Eric to group. Finally, problems are out of the way. I will be later on, not yet it seems, I will be later on part of the group, AutoLogin, and I will be able to auto-login to the system because the rest is set. lightdm is set. right? You can have a look at these guys. So AutoLogin user, AutoLogin session, it's all set. And now, even though unfortunately we can't see that I'm part of AutoLogin, but I am, and let's reboot and everything will be fine. All right, cheers.